Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find the CBSE center number for your school. This unique identifier is essential for all students appearing for board examinations. Knowing your center number helps ensure you arrive at the correct examination venue and complete your admit card details accurately. We will cover the primary ways to access this important information, making your exam preparations smoother and stress-free. Let's get started. There are a few reliable ways to find your CBSE center number. The most direct method is to look at your official admit card, where it is clearly printed. If you haven't received your admit card yet, or need to confirm, your school administration is an excellent resource. They have access to all relevant examination details. The Central Board of Secondary Education's official website also publishes lists of examination centers and their corresponding numbers, especially closer to exam dates. When using the CBSE website, start by navigating to the academic or examination section. These areas typically contain important information for students. Look for specific links such as examination center locator or admit card details. You will likely need to input certain information, like your roll number or school code, to retrieve your specific center number. Always ensure you are on the official CBSE domain, or using the official CBSE ECL app to guarantee accurate information. It is always best to verify your CBSE center number well in advance of your examination date to avoid any last-minute confusion. Take the time to double-check all the details on your admit card, ensuring everything is accurate. This proactive approach will help you feel more prepared and confident on exam day. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Good luck with your exams!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.